To succeed in the HVAC industry, you must act fast on customer requests, efficiently manage jobs, and streamline operations on all fronts. Try ReachOut Field Service Management Platform, specifically designed keeping the HVAC sector in focus. The graphical job scheduler with built-in calendar makes scheduling easier than ever. Field agents get job notifications on ReachOut mobile app on the go. Route optimization feature enables faster job site entry. Agents can share or edit estimates with customers before starting a job. ReachOut CRM lets you manage customer accounts, appointments, arrivals, job history, and more. Like creating and filling out mobile checklists and collecting on-site photo evidence. Agents can create and share invoices post-job completion. Customer approval can be ensured through e-signatures. Inventory management tracks equipment and parts, ensuring you always have the right tools on hand. Agents can use ReachOut in offline mode when connectivity is limited or unavailable. Simplify your HVAC installations and servicing with ReachOut Suite. Try it out today and experience the difference.